guys, it's Oberstadt. In today's video, I'm going to be doing probably the first of several Valentine's Day looks. I've had people ask me if I had filmed any yet, and I'm like, it's the middle of January. And it is the middle of January. But I'm going to be using two of my, well, the only two Juvia's Place palettes I own, which is the Douce and the Magic Mini, in order to create kind of a pink-ish eye look. I want to show you the colors next to each other. Here we go. And of course, as soon as I start filming, the battery starts flashing. Lovely. I have these like really cool things that I picked up. I picked up these like little gems here, and I already had these, and I found these little sticker hearts. I figured I could, you know, use something like that. I'm gonna go through everything with you step by step. I might speed up some of this, but I have one of the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks that I bought with the Shane collab that I have never used. It's this one here. This is in Oh My God. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by putting that on first so it has time to dry. Oh wow, that is like Pepto-Bismol pink. Oh, that looks so bad. Oh my God. Talk about coloring outside the lines too. Oof, that's okay, this is officially awful. Let's try and see if I can make it worse with the Ryland shade. Now, I have a Wet n Wild lipstick here that's blue. Maybe I can make it purple. Turned into a lavender shade. That's kind of pretty. Okay, that's not quite as bad. Because I'm going to be getting on the motorcycle, I'm not going to do like a lot of concealer, foundation, that kind of stuff. But this is the Makeup Revolution foundation, fast base foundation stick in F1. And it's hot here in Florida. I'm also going to use it as like an eyeshadow base. I like to disperse this with my finger first because it is a cream product, and then I go in with a sponge. I mean, I'm just going to the post office, so. I haven't played with makeup in several days. I felt like I kind of wanted to. And because this is where I'm the darkest, I kind of concentrate it here. And because this is a very emollient formula, I am going to set it for once. I don't usually, lately I haven't been setting any of like my concealers or anything like that. I've been letting them just kind of dry down and then just smoothing them out after. But I found that with this product, I kind of have to. So I'm going to take, I'm still trying to get an opinion on this. This is the Jeffree Star powder. I'm not going to powder my eyes, like the actual eyelid area. I'm just going to powder under my eyes. That way when I put blush and stuff on, I don't have weird blotchy spots. And this is a Juno & Co. sponge. It's very interesting. And then just to be safe, I'm gonna I'll just wash off the makeup brushes. Alright, so now I'm going to take this palette, and I'm going to take this cream or Crème shade right here, And because it's an eyeshadow, I'm like, boop. And then I'm like lightly dusting it. I don't know how girls put makeup on with their hair down. I keep hitting my hair with my brush. And then for highlight, I'm going to take the Puff shade in here and Osun from the other palette. I tap highlighter first, and then I'll go in and blend. I don't know how you people do this with your hair down. Alright, that's it. Enough of that crap. I'm even going to take this Berry Mousse shade down here and try and like contour with it. Might as well. It's close enough to work. Alright, now for the actual eye look. I have two pink shades in there I know I'm going to use, but I'm going to take Berry Mousse and Crème and like mix those two shades. Kind of just tap them back and forth, and then tap out any creasing on my eyelids. And for once I'm going to do the same look on both eyes. Alright, I'm going to take the same brush and go into Kesi and work this up here. Because I'm going to be putting a shimmer up there in a minute. But because I've got skincare and concealer and stuff up there, I wanted something there. Now, I'm going to be taking this Zuba shade on my finger, and then I'm going to take Puffs after. This is such a pretty shift to do it. Got a little too carried away with it. Alright, now into Puffs. A surprise coming in the mail from an indie brand that I can't wait to get in. I've talked about them on my channel before, but not a whole lot, and I've done, I think it was in one of the indie brands that I wanted to try. Just gonna buff over that. I just want to smooth it out. Some of these like shimmers on here, they're so freaking metallic, but I don't want them to look chunky. And just blending in those two shades together. And then I'm going to tap back into Crème and Berry Mousse and just blend up above them real quick. Alright, the battery died, so I went ahead and switched the battery out, and while I was putting the other one on charge, I went ahead and grabbed my necklace. This is a 2.7 millimeter heart link chain necklace. I really love this necklace. I have like 2 left for sale. And then this is a puffer heart that my dad made me. It's sterling, and then just my wee pentagram. All right, my eyes are looking very pale, which is fine. I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Oyster, which I did smash in the lid last time I used it. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. It's like a purple shade. Very similar to the shade Tarte in the Douce palette. I did it again. I hate this freaking lid. And we're gonna mascara it up with some IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout, which is their collab with Dry Bar. And of course I get some on my eyelid because my lashes are long. And just because I want to be a little extra, I'm going to go ahead and grab, knock this stuff down. I'm going to go ahead and grab my blush and stuff that I pulled for this month. Because I know my helmet comes to like right here. So all of this area kind of gets swept away on the inside of my helmet. So if I stack it up a little bit, it, of course, puts makeup on my helmet, which I then have to wash, which is difficult. Usually I take my makeup remover wipe, the cloth that I use, and I use that to get product off. Brows. I'm kind of doing an unofficial Project Pan right now, so this product is actually in it. This is the ColourPop brow pencil that somebody gave me because it was too dark for them. This is in, I think, Banging Brunette. And because I was told not to wind up too much at a time, because you can't wind it back down, I wind up a little, literally a little, every time I need to use it. My cat is currently laying in the bathtub giving himself a bath. I mean, it's an appropriate place to do it. Bubby, mommy can hear you. And if you color outside your actual eyebrows, just use your fingers smeared off. And where is my, oh, I'm going to use my Cello Clear Brow Gel. I'm trying to use this up. This is my favorite brow gel. Out of all the ones that I own, this is my favorite. It doesn't leave my eyebrow hairs feeling like I just sprayed it with that Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine. I hate it when my eyebrows feel like I got hairspray in them. Just like I don't like mascaras that are like super stiff. Well, I got some mascara there, but it's not as bad. Okay, now that this part's done, let's look at these. I want to use one of these little hearts on my face, but I don't know if the helmet's going to eat it. And these are just regular stickers. Yeah, I'm going to go with a pink polka dot one. Boop. How cute is that? And it's a little puffed heart. And then I'm going to take this one here. And I've seen a lot of people doing this lately with gems on their eyebrows and stuff. So I'm going to try and take a couple of these and stick them on the other eye to kind of like counterbalance it. If I can get it off the darn thing. And because I have hooded eyes, this is going to be interesting. I'm like pressing on them pretty good, so maybe they'll stay. Oh, I can see them. It's funny, I can see them in my eye. I can see this one right here in my peripheral vision. Oh, I like it. color goes pretty well. I want to try and use some of that Ryland shade just in the center because it's a metallic. And it's dry, so we'll see how bad this goes. While that's still tacky, I'm gonna take this Tarte shade. And a little bit of puffs. Oh, there we go. That's awesome. Mirror below the camera, and I'm like looking at looking at my lips. I've got high teeth. How do I do that? I just brush my teeth. Now, of course, when I'm on the motorcycle, my hair will be pulled back. But when I'm not, like when I get to the post office and stuff, I usually take my hair down. Here's the finished look. What do you guys think? Quick, simple. I like the lip, and it only took 3 lip colors to get the shade. That oh my god shade is definitely, when you put it on, it's like oh my god, but it's not like an oh my god, it's an oh my god kind of shade. So it's definitely light. What do you guys think? I will zoom you guys in and do some close-ups of not only the lips but the eyes. The eyes are super simple. I used 4 shades. And mainly 4 shades out of the same palette, or 3 shades out of one palette and 1 shade out of the other. And then I used both palettes to do the highlight and that kind of stuff. So anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. This would be Valentine's Day look number 1. I think it's simple and easy and it's pretty, and I'm fixing to leave the house in it, so you know I'd wear it. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and let me know what you think of the look in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a like. It does help my channel with engagement and helps get me recommended to other people that might not watch me. So I will see you guys later. Bye.